Well, dozens of children in the last year alone have died from school shootings just here in Texas.
That's right. And as politicians debate on how this national crisis can be solved, two local 16-year-olds have answered the call to action. Fox 44's PJ Hessner sat down with the twins who want to be a part of the solution. PJ, how are they making that happen?
Thanks, MG. Well, they published a children's book titled Taylor's Rules for Preventing School Shootings. And the book is already gaining a lot of attention, including from the President of the United States. The first page is a personal letter from President Biden addressing the teens' efforts to solve gun violence. Sienna and Sebastian Ross were taken out of public school years ago.
Our parents noticed that, the school systems were not very safe, so we got homeschooled.
A large factor being the steady line of mass shootings in schools.
It's horrible that a place that is so fun and a place that you can have so much enjoyment is now feared, and that we have to take these precautions and things because you're afraid that you're not going to see your loved one when they come home.
And it was their loved ones on their mind as they were writing Taylor's Rules for Preventing School Shootings, a children's book that outlines steps you can take to prevent school shootings.
It won't stop it permanently, but we really feel like some of these rules will help.
The young authors gathered real-life examples from Troy Buchanan High School in Missouri, a school that regularly practices active shooter drills.
Them doing those drills has gotten them used to it so they don't freeze and they go into what they're supposed to do to stay safe.
Their main goal of publishing the book?
Getting metal detectors in every single school across the state of Texas.
The idea came from former President George Bush Sr. and the safety measures he implemented following 9/11.
He implemented the metal detectors and his precautionary methods and immediately got everything all sealed and stopped with the plane hijackings.
Their mission is to implement metal detectors in all schools, not just the ones notorious for violence.
It's not just the schools that are in the not so great areas, the schools that have a reputation to have, not like gangs, and I feel like it could be any school.
The twins say metal detectors can cost anywhere from $1,000 to $4,000, but that it's worth the extra money and time it takes students to get through the doors safely.
Is it too much time to save a life?
Their final message to school leaders and politicians:
imagine if that was your child. Imagine if that was your niece or nephew, if that was your sister, brother.
They've set up a GoFundMe to raise money for metal detectors in schools. For more information and to find out how you can donate, visit our website, fox44news.com. In the studio, PJ Hessner, Fox 44 News.